If you're considering Credit One Bank's mobile app for your financial management, there are a few things you need to know before you commit. While this app can be a convenient tool, it has its pros and cons when compared to other financial apps on the market. Let's dive in. First, it's important to know that Credit One Bank's mobile app is designed mainly for those who have a Credit One credit card. If you're already a customer, this app is tailored to help you manage your card and track your spending. But if you're looking for a more universal app for a range of financial services, this might not be the best fit. Next, the app has a straightforward user interface that's easy to navigate, which is a big plus. You'll find it's simple to check your balance, pay your bills, and view transactions. But if you're used to more robust financial apps like Mint or Personal Capital, you may find it a bit basic. The third thing to consider is how it helps you with credit score management. Credit One does give you access to your FICO credit score for free, which is a helpful feature. However, unlike apps like Credit Karma, which offer more detailed insights into your credit and tailored recommendations, Credit One is more limited in its offering. Moving on, the fourth thing is the security features. The app uses standard security measures, including fingerprint and face recognition login, which adds a layer of protection. However, if top-tier security is a major concern for you, you might want to consider apps like Chase or Bank of America, which offer more advanced fraud prevention features. Now, the fifth thing to note is customer support. Credit One offers 24/7 support through the app, but the response times can vary. If you're after immediate assistance, apps from bigger banks tend to offer more reliable support with quicker responses. Next, Credit One's app has a mobile payment option, so you can make payments via Apple Pay, which is convenient. But in comparison to apps like Capital One, Credit One's integration with third-party services is still catching up, limiting some of the flexibility. The seventh thing to keep in mind is the rewards system. Credit One offers cash back on certain purchases, but the rewards aren't as competitive as those from other cards like Chase Sapphire or the American Express Blue Cash. If maximizing rewards is a priority, you may find better options elsewhere. The eighth point is the app's ability to set alerts. You can receive notifications for payment due dates, balance updates, and spending limits. However, some users find these notifications repetitive or not customizable enough, especially compared to apps like Discover or even PayPal, which offer more customization. Next thing to consider is the mobile check deposit feature. Credit One does not currently offer this, unlike competitors such as Wells Fargo or Bank of America, which make it easy to deposit checks directly from your phone. The 10th point is related to international use. Credit One's app allows you to manage your account while traveling, but you may experience some fees when using your card abroad, which is something you won't find with travel-focused cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which offers no foreign transaction fees. The 11th thing to know is the app's overall functionality. While the app is solid for managing a Credit One card, it doesn't offer the all-in-one features you might get from more versatile apps like Mint, where you can track all your finances in one place, whether that's credit cards, loans, or investment accounts. The last thing to mention is that while Credit One's app does the basics well, it's not the most innovative option out there. If you're seeking more advanced budgeting, investing, or financial planning tools, apps like You Need a Budget or Personal Capital might serve your needs better. So, is Credit One Bank's app a good choice? It's definitely solid for managing your Credit One credit card, checking your balance, and making payments. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive financial management app, you might want to check out other options. If you're looking for a better alternative, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It may offer the features and flexibility you're looking for to take control of your finances.